Hello everyone. Before starting our next topic, just frame some question in your mind like what are you doing now? What will be your plan for future? Which subject work you got yesterday? So the word now, future, yesterday tell us about different time period. So this different time period is called tense. So let's learn about tenses. Now, what's the definition of tenses? Tenses means that denotes the time of action as well as state. Time of action means किस time पर वो काम हुआ है. State means three times like present, past and future. Present means present time like what we are doing now. Past means what we have done yesterday. Future means what will be our plan for our future. Today we discuss about present tense and its types. Present means now कि हम अब क्या कर रहे हैं. We divide our present tense into four parts. First one, not only present, we divide past and future also in same. First one, simple present. Second one, present continuous. Third one, present perfect. And fourth one is present perfect continuous. Now start from simple present. What's the sentence formation? In affirmative sentences, we use subject plus first form or s or es plus object for singular subject only. And for plural, there is no s or es, only subject plus first form of verb then object. In negative and interrogative, we use for singular does and for plural do. Now what are the uses where we use present tense? First one, to indicate a habitual or regular action. हमारी क्या हैबिट है रेगुलरली, रेगुलर में क्या हम एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए हमें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस वी यूज हियर. Example, his family goes there every week. That means it is the family regular action. Next one, he always speaks the truth. That means it is his habit. Next one, to indicate general truth, universal truth or scientific truth. God is gracious like. Second one, this road leads to Delhi and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These are all three examples of general truth, universal truth and scientific truth. Next is to indicate a future event. फ्यूचर के इवेंट को इंडिकेट करने के लिए भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. For example, he start his new project very soon. That means project is not started now, it is starting very soon. Second one, in idioms and phrases like that, slow and steady wins the race. Wins is a verb first form plus s. Next one, with adverb of frequency like generally, regularly, always, daily, etc. we use first form of verb, simple present tense. Like here, she usually goes to bed early. Usually is the adverb of frequency and goes is a verb, that means first form and then es. Next one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, it is used for the action that are continuous or progressive at the time of speaking. कि जब हम कुछ बोल रहे हैं तब हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं. लाइक व्हाट वी आर डूइंग नाउ, वी आर doing our work, we are doing our English work, we are listening the video. And this tense consists, sentence structure is subject plus is mr plus first form plus ing plus object. Is used with singular subject, am is used with I and are is used with plural subject. Now what are the uses of that tense? First one, for the actions going to happen in near future. Example, Rudra is making a film on blind children this year. The action is going to happen in near future. It is not happen now, near future, that means this year, anytime. My mother is leaving for Delhi next week. अभी वो गए नहीं हैं, next week जाएंगे, that means near future में वो जाने वाले हैं. Next uses of present continuous tense is an action that continues for a brief period of time, like she is staying in Mumbai for the next 3 months. Next one, it is used often with now, these days, at present and at this moment, like these words. Example, these days I am traveling a lot. Next one, next tense is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, the sentence structure is subject plus has or have, has with singular subject and have with plural subject, plus 3 form of verb and 3rd form of verb and object. Now uses to express an action which are recently completed, अभी अभी जो काम finish हुआ हो, like I have just had my lunch, मैंने अभी अभी अपना lunch finish किया है. They have accepted our proposal. Next is to express the action that started in the past and the result of which still continues. Past में तो start हुआ है लेकिन उसका result अभी तक चल रहा है, like that I have waited for you for half an hour, मतलब कि वो अभी भी wait कर रहा है, आधे घंटे से वहाँ पर wait कर रहा है. Next uses of present perfect tense is to describe a action, past action in which the time is not specified, time is not given or indicated. For example, I have cooked 3-course meal. हमने कब बनाया हमें नहीं पता. Next one is an action that completed in the past but whose effect are still present. एक काम जो पास्ट में फिनिश हो गया बट इफेक्ट उसका अभी भी है. The principal has felicitated the class toppers. प्रिंसिपल ने प्रेज की क्लास टॉपर की बट अभी भी वो प्रेज है, ये नहीं कि वो खत्म हो गई है. नेक्स्ट वन इज एडवर्बियल फ्रेजेस लाइक नाउ, ऑलरेडी, स्टिल, जस्ट, येट एक्सेट्रा वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड विद दैट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, शी हैज जस्ट फिनिश ट्रेनिंग, कि उसने अभी अभी ट्रेनिंग फिनिश की है अपनी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस एंड द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर फॉर दिस टेंस इज subject plus has been or have been, has been for singular and have been for plural, plus first form plus ing then object. We use since and for that. Since is used to indicate the starting point of time and for is used for the time period of time. Now the uses of present perfect continuous tense. Show an action that started in the past but still continue. कोई काम जो हम past में हमने शुरू किया but अभी तक वो चल रहा है. Like I have been working on this report since 8 o'clock. अभी तक वो जो रिपोर्ट बनाने का काम है वो चल रहा है. She has been reading this novel for a month. The finish still not been finished. अभी तक finish नहीं हुआ है वो, अभी तक reading चल रही है उसकी. And one thing you have to note it, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense used to talk about actions and situations that started in the past and have continued up to the present. Like here example, we have lived in this city for 10 years and next one is we have been living in this city for 10 years. Both the meaning is same, but main thing is that present perfect continuous tense is used to emphasis on the continuity. Both sentences are correct. You can write down any, you can use any tense, okay? Both are correct. Now I hope students all the points, all the uses of present tense are clear to you. If you have any query, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.